So this coin represents the law of polarity. The tails represents failure, the heads represents success. So ito yung polarity. Ang success at failure laging magkasama parang coin. So when we toss this coin, ang lumabas dyan, yung heads, ano yung nakikita natin? Yung success. Tama? But underneath that success, may failure na nakatago. Hindi mo lang siya nakikita ngayon, but it's there. A major example is, kung na-promote ka sa trabaho, 1 week, 2 weeks lang, let's just say na-promote ka, di ba that's a moment of success? Pero ano yung failure? May maiinggit sa'yo. May mayayabangan sa'yo. May magchichismis sa'yo, sasabihin, kabit ka ni boss, sasabihin, sip-sip ka, and all those things na pwede mong ikasira. Right? Ganon din yung failure. Kung paulit-ulit ka ang nagfe-fail over and over, baka may nakatagong success yan.